you need to watch out. AI is rising at a disgusting rate and it doesn't look like it's going to stop. There are so many tools nowadays that everything can be done in the click of a finger. Think about what that's going to do to your business if everyone is just going to rely on AI. You don't have to think, we're all going to go bankrupt. There's going to be nothing left. Make sure to get ahead of this before it's too late, and don't let AI swallow you up like it will do to so many agencies. So we've all messed around with ChatGPT, asked it some stupid questions, asked us to write us an email, create some sort of contract, give us some terms and conditions. Everyone's done that. But now there are so many AI softwares where it does the job for you, and it soon won't require any people. Do we really want that in a world where people are just going to sit on their arse all day on TikTok, let computers generate the whole systems? No, we'll be pathetic. There is still no personal touch. There is no customization with these AI technologies. You need to get ahead and still prove why you are the better service than AI. Yes, they design at lightning speeds, but do they actually fix all the problems the consumer is asking for? Does the consumer actually know any of their problems? That's the beauty of an agency. You pinpoint other problems which the customer doesn't know, and you're able to create the solution for them. AI can't do that, so you need to get ahead. We're already thinking of ways to improve our business. There are AI website builders out there who can do a job just like that, but there is still a difference between working with a person and working with a computer. Tools like Wix ADI or Bookmark. Yes, they can create a website in a matter of seconds. Do they actually have a good user experience? Do they actually have good call to action buttons? It's just generic. People still think with their emotions. Their emotions are in play when they're in the business. So offloading a task to an AI website builder won't help them. They still need that level of communication. They need to still make sure everything is running smoothly. There's that reassurance there. And those are all the points you need to highlight when you're trying to sign a client, and when they say, oh, I could just get an AI website who just do it free instead of waiting a month. These are how you handle these objections with bulletproof facts. Then you've got other AI tools which can create designs and content for you. ChatGPT is now integrated with Canva, so you can just type in some sort of concept and it will produce it on Canva. Or there's Adobe Sensei, there's Photoshop Beta now. Life is becoming simpler, but you need to utilize these tools to your advantage. Learn how to use the tools correctly. For example, if you just type in one prompt, expect it to give you the best image that you can ever think of, you're wrong. You still need to have a creative mind to design these. So if you actually use these design tools to your benefit, you'll actually exceed your competition and go much further ahead of them. We all love the concept of AI, but we're not actually realizing what the future holds for us. Eventually, it will catch up to us, and that is the scary thing. We love doing agencies, but imagine in a year's time, they're going to create a new agency where you can run ads just out of the software. As agency owners, we don't want that. We need to try and progress forward and provide the actual benefit of using an agency, a traditional agency, instead of using AI, which would be easier, but it's not going to be the best option. And make that clear. Again, with the premium ChatGPT model, it can now create copy. It can actually integrate into your workload. You can tell it to respond to emails. There's so much it can do. It's a great time saver, but we all know it's not perfect. We still have to rewrite it. So don't be afraid to use it. Actually utilize it in your business. It can create human-like copy and blogs faster than you can say copywriter. But again, it doesn't mean it's perfect. You still need to make those changes. There is no 100% reliable AI that I've used. There's always constant changes that I need to make. It's always a problem that comes up with it. And again, that is the beauty of a traditional agency. Going back to websites, there's virtual web developers now as well. Developers like Bubble are actually coding websites without human intervention. So all I'm saying is be prepared. Be prepared for that next step. And if there is going to be an AI which does everything without any problems, you need to know what you need to do to avoid going out of business and the people actually using your service, and actually providing a benefit for them using and paying more than finding something cheaper that might do a little bit of worse job. You need to exceed their expectations by 1,000,000 miles for them to see their investment as being worthy. But like I said, AI is fun and all that, but I still believe in the power of agencies and the power of humans. We are much more reliable, better way of communicating. There's a personal relationship, which, like I said, there's an emotional connection with people, and they really consider that when investing a lot of money into, let's say, a website or starting a new ad campaign. And you create a unique value. AI will keep repeating the same things over and over. Your service is unique and custom to each client. You yourself become the USP. You are different to what everyone else is doing. And if someone sees a different design to an AI design, they're going to think, okay, why is my design different to theirs? Let me see what they're doing. So like I said, don't be scared of AI. Utilize it as much as you can, but you are still better. We're still in an age where you can be above your competition and utilize AI to speed up your processes or help you think of a design or an idea that you might not have thought of before. But don't rely on it, because there is so much that needs to be improved. As my partner says, 90% of AI is great, but that last 10% to make it more human and personalized and actually make it perfect is going to take a long way to get. It could even be about 2 or 3 years. So use it as a foundation layer, use it to gather the information that you need, but you still need that human creativeness and freelancers to make it actually business run, because right now an agency can't run just on AI. It needs human intervention and it needs human relationships to carry the business forward. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, comment down below on your thoughts about AI. Tell me a video you'd like to see on my channel. I post weekly. I love making these videos. I feel better prepared in front of the camera. So like I said, comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.